guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll solve party of couples. So let's start the problem. In problem statement you can see there are an integer array which size is n and representing n number of couple n number of people in a party. Okay. Uh, the integer which are same is represented couple and the integer which are only single person in the party we need to find that particular value. Okay, and note that it is guaranteed that three there exists only one single person in a party. Okay, so here are two example. In first example you can see there are n size of n number of people and the array size and the elements are you can see. Okay, in output it will show 3. So how can it will show 3? Let's go to our notepad. Suppose there are three people. Okay, and the array size is 3 and elements are, let's suppose elements are 2 2 2 2 4 2 4 1 2 4 2 2. Okay, in this there are two times of two value and only one time we can find 4. Okay, so in this the single value is 4. Okay, and two are couple. Okay, two are couple. Same thing you like an array in size 5. Okay, and array elements are like uh, 1 1 3 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 elements. Okay, and in this which one and one are couple and three another more times one two times there are three two times, so it is also couples, and two only one times, so in there in this example two are single. Okay, so go to our code section. Let's solve it. First we need to declare variable as integer equals to 0 and create a loop for condition for int I equals to 0, I greater than n I increment. Okay, and the condition ends. Okay. And array array and it will be an okay, then it will return ends. Okay, now let's compile it. Yeah, got our expected output. Now submit.